Use little when you mean almost none, and a little when you mean some. Number one, I'm so hungry. There is blank food left in the fridge. If you're so hungry, it means there is almost no food, right? So little is perfect here because it gives us that negative, not enough feeling. Poor you, go get some snacks after this. Number two, can you please add blank sugar to my coffee? I like it sweet. If you like it sweet, you want some sugar, but not too much. Just a small positive amount to make it nice. So, a little is the answer. Number three, she has blank patience with rude customers. She gets angry quickly. Oh dear, if she gets angry quickly, it means she has almost no patience. That's a very negative feeling, isn't it? So, little fits perfectly here to show that lack of patience. Maybe she needs a vacation. Number four, don't worry, I have blank money. Enough for lunch. Good news, you have enough for lunch, which is a positive thing. It's a small amount, but it's sufficient. So a little is our friend here. Lunch is on me. Number five, he speaks blank English, so we can only have a simple conversation. If you can only have a simple conversation, it means his English ability is quite limited, almost none for a deeper chat. That gives us that not enough vibe. So little is the correct choice. But hey, simple conversations are a great start. Keep learning. So the big takeaway is little means not much and feels negative, while a little means some and feels positive. Alright, my awesome English learners, I've prepared 5 more extra questions for you to practice on your own. You can find the answers either in the comments below or right at the end of the video. Try them out and let me know how you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work hard to make these lessons. So please show some love. I'll see you next time. Bye.